Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Social Studies CER QSE Writing Feedback Coach. So I'm in my Custom Tools, and I'm going to select the tool that I'm going to use today. And then I want to change the grade level to my grade level. I have already pasted in the assignment. The rubric has already been attached, so I don't need to attach the QSE rubric that was added by our Social Studies team. And then I don't need to add any instructions for the type of feedback. Our Social Studies team has already added that as well. So all I need to do is copy and paste the written work here, which is from my student. And then I'm going to select Generate. And so now you can see that I got a score of 2 out of 2. Here's my areas of strength and my areas for growth. And then general feedback on writing mechanics. And so I can take any part of this and copy and paste it into the students' work for them to get their feedback as well. Now, if I want to do a second one, I can go into Edit Prompt. I just need to make sure I change the grade level again. As you'll see, it keeps the assignment there, and the rubric is still there, the response instructions are still there. I just need to come back in and delete the first student, and now I'm going to do the second student. And then click Generate. And so you can see the score is in 0. And it gives them areas of strength and areas for growth, and then how to improve their response for the next time. Again, I can copy this and paste it into the student work or wherever I need to give student feedback.